Ever felt like you're doing 100 things and getting nowhere? You start your morning with motivation, but by night you're exhausted and wondering, what did I even achieve today? We have all been there. That's exactly why Gary Keller and Jay Papasan wrote The One Thing, a book that teaches you to stop being busy and start being effective. Because success isn't about doing more, it's about doing less but better. Gary Keller, a real estate mogul, noticed something fascinating. The most successful people don't chase everything. They chase one thing, the right thing, until everything else becomes easier or unnecessary. So, if your life feels cluttered, unfocused, or stuck in constant hustle, this video will help you reset. We live in a world that worships multitasking. But guess what? Multitasking is just the art of messing up several things at once. Keller says extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. Think of sunlight. It can warm your skin, but when focused through a magnifying glass, it can start a fire. That's what your focus does. When scattered, it warms nothing. When focused, it burns through obstacles. Stop asking, what all do I need to do? Start asking, what's the one thing I can do today that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? Second, the domino effect. Success isn't a giant leap, it's a line of small, smart dominoes. Push the right first domino, and the rest will fall naturally. For example, if your one thing is to wake up early, it triggers other dominoes. You eat better, you think clearer, work deeper, and sleep earlier. Success is like a chain reaction, but only if you choose the right starting point. Don't chase balance, chase alignment. Line up your dominoes, then commit to knocking down the first one thing every single day. Third, protect your one thing. Keller says it's time blocking. It means dedicating sacred, distraction free hours to your one thing. No notifications, no meetings, no social media. Because distractions don't just steal your time, they steal your momentum. Treat your one thing time like a doctor's appointment, non negotiable. If you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. Success is built sequentially, one thing at a time. So ask yourself, what's the one thing that matters most to you right now? Fix your focus on that. Because when you chase everything, you catch nothing. But when you chase the one right thing, life starts aligning like magic. And don't forget to subscribe for more summaries that